Ito yung formula na minsan nagiging mindset natin. Self-worth equals performance plus the opinion of others. If hindi ka pa sigurado kung ikaw ay always seeking for approval, here are some statements na pwede mong pag nilay-nilayan. You can reflect on this and think, if ganito ka ba? When I sense that someone might reject me, I become nervous and anxious. I am basically shy and unsocial. I find myself trying to impress others. I always try to determine what people think of me. So, makikita natin dito na ang focus ng ating mga iniisip is always what others think of me.